Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today is episode 4 of Quick Canning Cuisine. So we are going to make one of our favorites that we found when we went to an all-inclusive resort in Cancun. It's called Chilaquiles. It shouldn't take very long to do. It's kind of like a messy nacho, except better. So stick around and let's show you how we do our chilaquiles. And I'm probably saying that wrong, so I'll put the spelling on the screen. So here we go. All right, the goal of Quick Canning Cuisine is to use up canned items that we have from our pantry. So we're gonna work with our salsa and our corn. We are also going to use our homegrown onions that we had in the freezer. So we are recording this in real time. So I am going to, oh, can you see the pan? Yes, you can see the pan, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead, leave you there. And we're gonna start cooking up onions and bell peppers first. So I don't know the terminology for chilaquiles. All I know is they are darn good and they are quick to come together. And I will definitely put info on the screen about kind of like how it actually is supposed to be said, because obviously I am not I'm not doing it justice. So what we're gonna do is we're heating up those onions first. We've got our homegrown garlic I'm gonna mince real quick. I had a couple of cloves less that I peeled that I had extra, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do this instead of using the jarred stuff. This garlic is potent. Come on. There it goes. And so we're using our tomatoes, our peppers, our onions, our salsa, our corn. We had to buy a head of lettuce the other day for a different meal, so we're gonna use that. And then we have homemade tortilla chips, but we kind of decided that we wanted to use store-bought just so you could see, you know, how simple this is. So hey Greg, what protein do you want in here, if any? What protein do you want? Do we want to do our chicken, or
there might be chicken right above you?
Okay, we forgot about a protein. All right. I'm getting in the way. Oh, yep, look. And we're gonna use one of our ugly chickens. Cool. Oh good, and this is an older one too, so we're gonna use a can of ugly chicken. And we're cooking at Greg's house today. We're tearing up his kitchen. All right, I'm also gonna throw in all of these bell peppers because they were thawed out from making salsa the other day and I didn't use them all. I highly recommend that you use a rather large pan when you do this, because the mixing part of this gets a little messy. We have a couple bell peppers that we need to cook up fresh, so we're gonna do that real quick as well. And we found this recipe, like I said, at a all-inclusive resort down in Cancun, and it was shoved in a back corner next to like an egg station or omelet station, and it was served at breakfast, and it's like, okay, well, let's see what this is. And man, you talk about wonderful. We were hooked. Oh no. Oh, I think this is a habanada. I don't know what this is, and now I'm touching it. What is this, Greg? Or is this hot?
What?
This pepper I'm cutting on.
The orange one?
Yeah.
Probably hot.
Oh man.
Just picked it from out front.
Oh, you picked, oh yeah, this is hot. Okay. We're gonna make these real small. All right.
That actually looked like a jalapeno,
Yeah, but it's like,
but it's red.
I mean, jalapenos can be red. All right, we're throwing those in. We're throwing this in.
Unless it was the sweet that we thought was the sweet cherry tomatoes.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
They had mismarked.
Yeah.
And they turned out to be peppers. That's what they are. They're the sweet.
Gotcha.
Well, who knows what they are.
Who knows what
were
they
marked
are.
Sweet 100.
Yeah, these peppers were marked Sweet 100 tomatoes, and they are definitely not tomatoes.
Because I put, remember I wanted pepper and tomato those pots. And we cut the pepper.
We are using our homegrown brandy wines. Look how pretty they are. They're gorgeous. All right, what are we doing? We're still, I threw the peppers in the pan, I threw the garlic in the pan, and this is all just sauteing up real nicely. Now, we were gonna use salsa verde for this because in Cancun they had a red version and they had a green version, and we were really banking on the green version, but our inventory was off because I thought there was, oh, don't do that. Not yet. I thought there was salsa verde here, and there's none. So I forgot to bring some over. So we're just gonna go red salsa, and that'll be okay. But you can use green salsa, so just so you know. Let's get jars opened. Okay, come on. There it goes. And then I'm gonna get, oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell all this garlic. What is wrong with this opener? Use it the right way. That's what's wrong with it. Turn it right side up. What else are we putting in here? I'm gonna top it with lettuce and tomatoes and some cilantro, and I've got some pepper jack cheese that I need to shred and stick on top. We had some really good cheese the other day, but we used it all for a different recipe, so. Pepper jack it is. All right, the chicken is drained. Let me get some of this off of the corn. Wow, we're gonna get rid of 3 jars. Well, 3 in a little bit. This is awesome. All right, now here's the fun part about this recipe. At this point, everybody's kinda all nice and sizzled. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start dumping. And this is how fun this recipe is. And you can do whatever you want. Like we can add black beans if we wanted to. We could add pinto beans. We're not in a bean mood today, so. You can sauce this any way you want to, spice it any way you want to. We have found this to be really, really a fun recipe. Now the only thing we're waiting on is all this stuff to heat through before we roll our tortilla chips in this and plate it up. So in the meantime, I'm gonna get this chicken caught up, and then we're gonna top it. This is so much fun. And it's so good. If I can get the cheese open. There we go. All right, grater. Cheese, oh, there it is. All right, we'll grate the cheese right here. And don't be shy with the cheese, because that's a lot of food. That's probably enough for 4 to 6 people, but we like this recipe so much, we're making leftovers. Even though it's really not, leftover day is not till Saturday. Today's Wednesday. This is a 8-ounce package of cheese, and we're just shredding all of it. And we like spicy, so this is pepper jack. We've done like queso fresco, we've done cotija, we've done cheddar. Basically just put cheese on it. Now the ones that were for breakfast, they were very plain. They had maybe some onions and peppers and stuff. I'm gonna bring you over here so you can see it. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I mean, you could just eat it like this if you wanted to. but we're not. That's so pretty. Okay, let's stick you back over here for a minute. Can you see still? Yeah, you can see still. Where are we at? 10 minutes 40. Okay. I got the tomatoes diced up. That's still heating through. Got some good bubblage. If you're one of those people that thinks cilantro tastes like soap, omit the cilantro. We like cilantro, so we are not omitting it. Greg isn't a big tomato fan, so I'm gonna go light on the tomatoes. He likes the salsa tomatoes or spaghetti sauce tomatoes, but not raw tomatoes. All right. I liken this recipe to like a deconstructed taco. And with all the salsa and stuff, we really haven't put any taco seasoning in here. I might put some oregano in here. I gotta taste, let me taste it. Let's see. It might be good enough. Ooh, that's hot. Wow. Black pepper. Very sweet with the salsa. I like it. Now, the other thing too is you can make this sauce runny. You can, let's just do a little bit of pink. Okay. You can leave this sauce in here runny, or you can thicken it up maybe with some cornstarch or something. Look at Greg being all organized. Oregano. Add some oregano. I think that's all I want. Oh, he's got some jalapeno. No, we're not putting jalapeno powder. You can put that on your own. What?
Spicy oregano.
Oh yeah, you could get spicy oregano.
You want me to? I should have used enough oregano already.
Probably got enough in here already. Yeah, Greg's growing we found some spicy oregano at a garden center. That stuff is good, and it's spicy.
We found it where we get our berries.
Oh yeah, we found it where we get our berries. All right, we're at 13 and a half minutes-ish. Okay, here's the trick. Let's see if I can get you closer. Let's scoot you down. Okay, don't fall. Stay there, y'all. Okay, tortilla chips. I know this looks completely backwards. Ta-da! This is gonna be so good. So you basically stir in the chips. You can use your homemade chips, store-bought chips. That was probably half a bag. And you coat your chips with the ingredients. Now I know as this sits longer, the chips soak up more of the liquid and the chips kind of get a little soggy. So if you don't want your soggy chips, eat it right away. If you want your chips a little soggy, you can let it sit for a while, put a lid on it, but we like our chips a little soggy, so we're gonna let it sit for a little while. We're gonna turn it off and then let it sit for a minute and then eat it. This is Chilaquiles. Now, I'm gonna go ahead. That looks good. I got them all incorporated. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. We're not sharing, so I'm reusing my spoon. Oh, that's too hot. I'm not even gonna attempt that. Okay, now we need to put in all the toppings. So once you've got them incorporated really good, I always got that one little piece of cheese it doesn't want to shred. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have 2 helpings today. I'm excited. All right, now we're gonna go in with the lettuce. You can also serve this with taco sauce on the side, is what we like to do. Chuck that in there. We also like to add sour cream. You can even do guacamole. Let's put the tomatoes on. All right, scrape the board. Okay, here, let me put a little, let me top mine. Oh, yeah, she's done. 16:24. Let's get her plated. Oh man, that was so good. Okay, there she is, y'all, all plated. We're at 17 minutes. Isn't she pretty? Y'all, I mean, homegrown tomatoes. Oh my gosh, so good. Let me get you a real bite with all of the things. See how the chips are starting to get soggy? That's the way we like it. So we've got our canned ugly chicken, our onions, our bell peppers, our tomatoes. Oh, it looks so good. Our corn. There's your chilaquiles. It's just a pretty plate, isn't it? Okay, I think it cooled off enough now. Yes. There are a ton of variations you can do with this. You don't have to just do chicken. You could do beef chorizo. You could do pork. You could switch this up. You could do nothing and just do the chips and salsa with some cheese on top. Sky's the limit. And we love chilaquiles. So we hope you enjoyed Quick Canning Cuisine episode 4, chilaquiles. We are gonna make ourselves sick and eat a ton of this. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye y'all. Okay, official taste tester.
Of course. That's good. That's getting closer to what it is.
What we, yeah.
Yeah. That's good. I like the chicken in it. Yeah. Good.